This is the Insta360 X5 8K 360 Action Cam Essentials Bundle. This is the back side of the box. What's in the box? We have the Insta360 X5, extra battery, utility fast charge case, carry case, standard lens guards, lens caps, 114cm invisible selfie stick, USB-C cable, protective pouch, lens cloth, quick start guide, warranty card. It has 8K 360 video with dual sensors, triple A1 chip for superior low light. Shoot first, frame later. Invisible selfie stick effect. Flow state stabilization. 5.7K 60 FPS active HDR video. New wind guard for clearer audio. Waterproof to 49 feet. AI powered editing. Auto backup to cloud. This is what's inside the box. The carry case. Utility fast charge case. Standard lens guards. So this is inside the box of the lens guard. It says here to clean the lens guard and lenses before use or image quality may be affected. So those are the two lens guards. And here's the Insta360 X5. Yeah, that's how it looks. And inside the carrying case is the protective pouch. This one here. Let's see what's inside the protective pouch. That's the charging cable, lens cloth, extra battery, user manual, selfie stick. This is what's inside the user manual box. It has safety guidelines, Insta360 sticker. What's this? Cleaning sticker. Utility fast charge case instructions for use. What's this? Quick start guide. Warranty card. Lens cap. Carry case. Standard lens guards. Battery. Insta360 FlexiCare. Helpful tips before use. To ensure waterproofing, securely close the battery compartment and USB port cover. Insta360 lens cap instruction for use. So here, when storing or not using the camera, use the lens cap to protect against dust or scratches. Ensure the lens cap is clean and dry before installation to avoid scratching the lenses. The lens cap can be used even with the lens guard installed. So this is the lens cap. How do we take it out? Do we just pull it? Oh, I'm not sure how to take it out. Okay, so we just pull it out. This is the instruction for the Insta360 X5 standard lens guards. Install the lens guards. Align the notch on the lens guards with the lower right slot of the lens, as shown below. Then rotate the lens guards clockwise until the notch is aligned with the microphone. I got the 256GB Lexar Professional with the SD adapter for micro SD and the micro SD card. There's the Lexar SD adapter for micro SD and the 256GB micro SD card. Okay, now let's explore the X5. Gonna take this sticker from here. And on the side, I think we have to open it like that, and the battery sticks out. That's how we pull out the battery. And then the SD card. How does the SD card go in? I think that already clicked. Okay, let's test it. So now I'm gonna replace the battery back. Make sure that the red is not showing there. Otherwise it's not waterproof. Now that's closed. So how do we turn this on? So the power button is on the side here. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it turned on. Okay, so now I'm trying to install the lens guard. So I guess I have to take out this film first. So I took out that film. And then here's the lens guard. So here. Is it supposed to click? I think that it already clicked there. So I'll do the other side too. So take out the film. Okay, there. I think it clicked. Okay, so lens guard installed. So this is the menu button. What does it do? Oh, okay. And how about the shutter button? Oh, not doing anything. I guess I still have to install the app first. So to charge the battery, I'm using the ultra fast charger. So there's a triangle in here and I just have to align the notch of the battery to the charger. So it's supposed to click like that and the orange color shouldn't be showing. So I just activated the camera using the app. So I had to download the Insta360 app on my phone and now it's activated. So to start recording, I have to press the shutter once and now it's recording. And then I have to press it once again to stop recording. So far, the Insta360 app is really good because it has video tutorials. I like it. Alright, so to turn it on, when using the app for playback, the camera will turn off the screen to save power, restore preview. App disconnected. Oh, it was 5.7K, so I could put it on 4K. But it was saying something that to swipe. Oh, 8K. Okay. Slide down to access settings. So like this, slide down to access settings. Sync files to the cloud. Save SD card storage. Pre-recording. So if I swipe to the right, what happens? Oops. Slide left from the edge of the screen to access shooting parameters. Slide left. Standard. Oh, cool. EV auto off. Auto. So what is standard? A natural look suitable for true-to-life result. Oh, flat. Lower saturation and higher gray colors, best for post-processing. So how do I access? Slide up to access shooting parameters. Frame rate. So I could adjust the frame rate. So 30. Slide right from the edge of the screen to access the album. So that's the album. Oh, cool. Wow. This one here, I just set the road mode settings. So the loop duration that I picked is about an hour. So after an hour, it overwrites the oldest video. I set the charge and record to on. So recording automatically begins when the device is powered on while charging. The 360 is actually quite helpful because as I go along, it's showing me tips. So right now it's showing that on bright environments, I have to turn off the low light enhancement for better battery life. So using a single lens, this could actually record 9 hours and 53 minutes. Not bad. Another thing that I just noticed is it actually tracks my face. See, look at that. It's easy to switch from single lens to 360. I just press it like this, and I press it to 360. And it has different modes: loop recording, bullet time, time shift, time lapse, insta frame, pure video. This pure video is supposed to be good for nighttime.